Okay, here's a quick tutorial on how to access the Deagostini website. Just click on this page, show details, and then scroll down to the bottom, visit this website, which is underlined, and then take you into the logging in screen, which is your email address and your password that you've always used. And this is using iOS 12.1, so you just use the password thumbprint to access that. Then log in and have a look at your subscription, which is the R2D2 build, and then you can check all your details. Hope that helps. Don't forget to rate, comment and subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one.